Okay, everyone, welcome to this stunning off-grid tiny house. Set in the heart of nature, perched on a rocky terrain, this modern home boasts a steel frame on a sleek corrugated metal exterior that stands out against the lush green forest backdrop. With a spacious deck extending from the front door, it's the perfect place to enjoy the serene beauty of the great outdoors. Let's take a closer look inside and explore how modern design meets sustainability in this incredible tiny home. Okay, everyone, welcome to this stunning off-grid tiny house where the modern design meets efficient living in a space that feels both open and cozy. With a minimalist yet warm design, every inch of this home is carefully crafted to offer comfort and style. Let's take a closer look at the interior of this beautiful tiny house. As we step inside, you are immediately welcomed by the spacious feel of this home. The natural wood ceiling creates a cozy atmosphere complementing the simple, clean design of the rest of the interior. The seamless, ordinary walls make the space feel expansive, allowing the beautiful wooden details of the ceiling to be the focal point. On one side, we have the kitchen compact yet fully equipped with modern appliance. It's designed with efficiency in mind, featuring clean lines, minimalism countertop, and modern touch that makes it easy to prepare meals in this off-grid home. The combination of wood accents and sleek appliance ensure that this kitchen remains both functional and sustainable and aesthetically pleasing. Okay, well, then the dining area, through small, is perfectly placed next to a large window, offering stunning views of the outdoors. Whether you are enjoying a meal or working from home, it's the ideal spot to soak in the natural surroundings. The table minimalist design keeps the space light and uncluttered. Maintain the modern feel of the entire home. Uh, moving over to the living area, we find a modern sofa that offers comfort and relaxation. Its clean lines and natural tones blend seamlessly with the rest of the interior, providing a cozy spot for unwinding or enjoying a book after a long day. And above the main living area, a loft bed awaits. The loft offers a quiet and elevated retreat perfect for a restful night's sleep. The built-in stairs lead up to the loft, offering easy access, and a safety railing surrounds the space for added security. The open view from below creates a sense of openness while still offering the privacy you need up top anyway. And from this top view angle, we get a clear sense of the thoughtful layout that optimize space while maintaining a sense of openness. The living, dining, and kitchen areas flow seamlessly together, while the loft bed adds a sense of elevation without closing off the space. And it's a perfect example of how clever design can create a fully functional and beautiful tiny home. And also, the overall design of this tiny house interior is both minimalist and modern. It's a perfect blend of functionality, comfort, and style, with every detail thoughtfully chosen to enhance the living experience. Whether you are spending the time in the cozy living area or enjoying the peaceful loft, this off-grid tiny house offers everything you need for a modern, sustainable lifestyle. And this off-grid tiny house is the epitome of modern living in a compact space with its clean lines, wooden action, and clever use of space. It proves that even a tiny home can offer luxurious and comfortable living. Okay, let's step inside and take a closer look at the bathroom stunning features. From this top view, we can see how the bathroom layout is both efficient and spacious, making the most of every inch. The key to this design is its balance between modern aesthetic and practical elements. The warm wooden ceiling adds a natural touch to the space, creating a cozy, welcoming environment despite the compact size. On one side of the bathroom, we have a sleek modern toilet, which is perfectly integrated into the space, and the shower cabin is another standout feature. Designed with a clean lines and contemporary feel. It's compact yet spacious enough to offer a comfortable shower experience, making it ideal for off-grid living where every square foot counts. The wastafel or sink is designed with elegance and simplicity. It's paired with a large mirror that enhances the sense of space and light in the room. The mirror reflects the natural light streaming in front of the window, creating an airy and open atmosphere. It's the perfect place for getting ready for the day or winding down in the evening. One of the highlights of this bathroom is the large window, which not only brings in an abundance of natural light but also offer a view of the surrounding landscape. The window creates a seamless connection between the indoors and the outdoors, helping the space feel open and serene. This design choice is perfect for off-grid living, where access to natural elements is key. The bathroom wooden ceiling add warmth and texture, providing a natural contrast to the modern fixture below. This detail creates a feeling of comfort and relaxation, making the bathroom feel more like a retreat than just a utilitarian space. The large modular floor tiles are another beautiful features. These tiles, with their clean and simple lines, give the bathroom an elegant, cohesive look with that is both practical and stylish. From the sleek toilet to the modern shower cabin, from the elegant sink and mirror to the thoughtful inclusion of natural light and wooden elements. Okay, every part of this bathroom reflects a commitment to both design and function. It's clear that every detail has been thoughtfully chosen to create a space that feels modern yet warm and welcoming. And this off-grid tiny house bathroom is the perfect example of how modern design can make even the smallest of space feel luxurious and functional. It's a space that not just about essential, but about creating a peaceful, calming environment that complements the off-grid lifestyle. From the natural light to the sleek fixtures, this bathroom makes a bold statement in terms of style and efficiency. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now is only focus on theme and material and color composition. And this doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about the inspiration ideas and in some information about the tiny home, especially for the interior. Okay, so what your opinion? What's your mind about this tiny house design right now? And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And thanks for watching until the end. And just wait for my next video in this channel. Thanks for watching and have a good day.